everybody, my name is Bob and I'm with NOSV-BO, talking to you today about our blue onyx stone vessel sink. The model number is NOSV-BO. So first off, as you can tell, it is round. It's going to be 17 inches round, and the sidewall is going to be 5/8 inches thick and weighs in at a solid 25 pounds. So it's very, very solid, very durable. I'm going to show you a little bit on the inside. If you can see how dramatic it is a little bit, it's really, really unique because there is a lot of character in blue onyx. Just because, depending on the block, of course, you can get some that has more cream in it and some that has more blue. But the great thing about blue onyx is it really provides like a really good focal point. So if you got this on like a solid surface countertop or something like that, it's really just going to be a dramatic finish for you. It's going to be a nice, bold statement. And also, with these blue onyx sinks, we do usually send out pictures prior to shipping. So if you're worried about the color, no worries. We usually get some form of contact information from you and just kind of get your approval on it and kind of see what you're looking for and get your approval. So the inside is polished as well as the outside, which is the exterior, which is really cool because you get a lot of dramatic feel on the inside as well as the outside. The bottom here is flat, and that's really nice because it provides a lot of stability for you. There's no mounting ring or anything like that needed. You're just going to simply put some adhesive on, and you'll place it on your counter and install your drain on the top, tighten it up, and it's going to be very secure, very, very secure. You're not going to have a problem with it moving or anything like that. So back to the inside a little bit. We do have a 1 3/4 drain, and that's going to be for a standard plumbing connection. We do recommend our umbrella drain simply because it does have a little bit longer threading for you. So if you do have a little bit thicker countertop, or if your stone sink is a little bit thicker than normal, it's going to give you an extra, about an extra inch or so to get it through the counter and to fasten it. So as I was mentioning, the inside is polished, but we do still recommend to seal it. Reason being is it's going to help with the water spotting if you have any of those issues. If you have hard water in your area, it's just going to really help do that. So you can seal it when you basically install your countertop if you're doing that at the same time. Or we do have a glacier ice product, it's called, and that is a hydrophobic sealer that you'll simply wipe on here, and it's going to help repel the water and make it look like new really for years to come. So if you have any further questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.